Want to increase your average order value by letting customers pay over time? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable Klarna on your Shopify checkout. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Klarna is a leading buy now, pay later service that can make your products more affordable and boost sales. Adding it is a simple configuration. First, ensure you have a Klarna merchant account. Then, from your Shopify admin, go to Settings and then Payments. In the Alternative Payment Method section, find and select Klarna. You'll be guided through connecting your Klarna account to your Shopify store. This will involve logging in with your Klarna merchant credentials and authorizing the connection. Once connected, you can configure the payment methods you want to offer, such as Pay in 4 or financing. Klarna will then automatically appear as an option for eligible customers at checkout. A crucial pro tip: Klarna's widget dynamically shows installment amounts on product pages. To leverage this, ensure your theme supports it. Promoting Pay with Klarna on high-ticket items can significantly increase conversions. And just like that, you've added a powerful tool to make your store more accessible. Enabling Klarna meets the demand for flexible payment options. Have you seen an increase in average order size after adding Klarna? Share your results below. For another BNPL giant, watch our next video on how to set up Afterpay on Shopify. Thanks for watching.